Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign out from your Amazon account in your mobile device. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It's quite easy. Right now, what you guys have to do is simply click on those three lines at the bottom right. It's right next to the cart. Simply click on it. Then you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, from here you can shop by category. But right now we are not gonna focus on that. I'm just gonna scroll down till I see something like sign out. And almost at the bottom, you can see a button like this that says sign out. Simply click on it and give your confirmation. If you do want to sign out, hit on sign out, else cancel. Right now I do want to sign out, so I'm gonna click on the button right here. And guys, that's it. As you can see, I have successfully signed out from my Amazon account in my mobile device. It is quite easy. That's it for the video guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.